Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the smartest buys for your space and lifestyle. Today, we're diving into the best accent chair for small living rooms, the HollyHOME Lazy Chair with armrest and side pocket in velvet beige. Whether you're furnishing a cozy apartment, dorm room, or a snug reading nook, this chair checks all the boxes. Let's explore why this could be your next favorite seat in the house. At first glance, the HollyHOME Lazy Chair makes a warm and inviting statement. The color we're reviewing is velvet beige, neutral enough to blend into any interior style, yet plush enough to add a touch of luxe. But this chair isn't just about aesthetics. It's thoughtfully built for comfort, functionality, and everyday use. Let's talk dimensions. The chair measures 25.6 inches deep, 31.5 inches wide, and 37.4 inches high. It strikes a perfect balance between a compact footprint and a spacious seat. It's wide enough to curl up with a book, yet small enough to fit neatly in limited spaces. It weighs only 19.8 pounds, which means moving it from room to room is no hassle at all. But where this chair really shines is in comfort. The seat and backrest are filled with plush PP cotton that cradles your body as soon as you sit down. Think of it as sitting on a cloud, soft, supportive, and just the right amount of sink. The back support is designed ergonomically, meaning it follows the natural curve of your spine and provides excellent support whether you're reading, gaming, or just unwinding after a long day. One of its standout features is the built-in side pocket. It's conveniently located on the armrest and sized just right for storing books, tablets, remotes, or even your phone. No more digging around for your essentials. Everything stays within arm's reach. Now let's address durability. This isn't a flimsy piece of furniture. The frame is built with rust-resistant heavy-duty steel pipes, providing solid support for up to 300 pounds. It also comes with non-slip foot covers, so you don't have to worry about scratches on your floor or any unwanted sliding. This solid foundation ensures long-term reliability while still keeping the chair lightweight. Another major plus: the upholstery. The velvet finish is more than just visually appealing, it's ultra-soft and skin-friendly. It resists pilling and fading, and it holds its shape even after extended use. It also maintains a neat, wrinkle-free look with minimal maintenance. So not only does it feel great, but it continues to look great, day after day. Let's not forget how easy it is to set up. This chair is designed to be assembled in under 3 minutes, yes, 3. No tools needed, no complicated steps. The parts snap together effortlessly, and everything you need comes right in the box with clear, numbered instructions. As for its versatility, the HollyHOME Lazy Chair is incredibly adaptable. Whether you place it in a living room corner, a dorm study area, a bedroom reading nook, or even on a covered balcony, it complements any environment. It's cozy enough for adults, spacious enough for teens, and some reviewers even say their pets love it too, and we don't blame them. In summary, if you're searching for a multi-functional, stylish, and ultra-comfortable chair that fits small spaces without compromising quality or aesthetics, the HollyHOME Lazy Chair is a top contender. With its ergonomic design, soft-touch velvet, sturdy metal frame, and thoughtful features like the side pocket, it delivers both form and function. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If this chair caught your eye, check the link in the description for more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our next home and lifestyle deep dive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.